Hello, today we're going to talk about decluttering your jewelry. I know that people don't talk about that much, but I don't know about you, but for me it was always a stumbling block. I would open my jewelry box and I would have old things in there, things that were, tarnished in there, things that were in knots in there, maybe things I had wrapped in Kleenex in there. It's time to declutter your jewelry box because you are a feminine person and you need to be able to take advantage of your jewelry. So my suggestion is to dig out all the earrings that are in there and group them together on your nice made bed and decide if you're really going to wear those and what they go with, and then put them back nicely in that cleared out spot of your jewelry box. Do the same with your bracelets. Maybe you have some watches or different things like that. Maybe some brooches. Maybe they're for Christmas, but you're going to keep them in there. Your rings and your necklaces. And honestly, what I do with my necklaces is I do wrap them individually in Kleenex. The chain, I put in one part of the Kleenex, fold it over, then double it back, fold it over again, and roll it up, and I leave the pendant out so I know what it is, and I put them in my jewelry box like that. That's an idea. Anyway, declutter your jewelry box. You'll feel so much better, and make it a great day.